someone else when the right one comes along.